Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Telegram without phone number. So first of all, you need to go to the Telegram, and as you can see, now I'm creating my new account, and here I need to type in my phone number. But what if I do not have one, or I already used one? So I need to get a new phone number from the internet, from our browser. So simply close the Telegram and open the Safari now. Here in the search bar, you need to type Google Voice and search for it. Basically, it will show you some results, and the first website is what we need, Google Voice. So basically, Google Voice provides you a business phone number that you can use in your cases. So for example, you can use it by registering in Telegram. So basically here you need to click on the sign in button and wait a little bit and sign into your Google account. So simply just type your username. Here is my email, and I can verify it with my Face ID. And now when you are logged in, it will show you up how the Google Voice works. And basically it does not work in every single country in the world. As you can see, it is loading for me right now, and maybe it will work in my country, maybe not, but basically it will show up the number. As you can see, it is not working in my country, but maybe in your country this service is working, and it will provide you a phone number that you can simply fill in here and use your Telegram without phone number. Basically, this is it. It is how you can use Telegram without phone number. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.